Good morning, dear students. Welcome to new math class. I hope you all are good and safe. So today we are going to recapitulate the Heron's formula and then we'll solve a problem by using Heron's formula. Let us now look into the Heron's formula, and for that let us consider an arbitrary triangle ABC with sides small a, small b, and small c as shown in the figure. Let AB be small a unit and the length of side BC be small b unit and the length of side AC be small c unit. Now here we have to find the area of triangle ABC. So then according to Heron's formula we get area of triangle ABC is given by square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus a, where a, b, and c are the sides of the triangle ABC and s represent the semi-perimeter, that is s equals to sum of its side divided by 2. Let us now proceed on to solve a problem based on Heron's formula. So here we have the first question, and which says sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So here the sides of the triangles are given in the ratio and its perimeter is given. We have to find its area. So for the timing, let us consider triangle B, triangle ABC with sides small a, small b, and small c as shown in the figure. We can take small AB the side of AB, small b be the side of BC, and small c be the side of AC. Then it is already given in the question that the sides are in the ratio. So we take A is to B is to C equals to 12 is to 17 is to 25. Now this 12, 17, and 25 are not the actual length of the sides of a given triangle. So here in order to find the sides we are going to associate a variable with it. Now with the basic knowledge of ratio, we take A be 12x, B be 17x, and small c be 25x. So where x is a variable and here we have associated x with this ratios. Now in order to find the sides of this triangle, we need to find the value of x. And in order to find the value of x, a relation is given in the question, and that is its perimeter is given. So for the timing, let us denote the perimeter of the triangle by capital P. Now here we get this P equals to 540 centimeter. Now in place of this P, we can write A plus B plus C, and that is equals to 540, because perimeter is the total length of the boundary, and we know that A, B, and C are the sides of the triangle or its boundary. So then the sum of these sides A, B, and C will give us the perimeter of the given triangle. Now let us put the value of A, and which is 12x plus and the value of B is 17x, and next the value of C is 25x. Now sum of these three must be equals to 540. Now when we add these three numbers 12, 17 and 25, this will give us 54x, and which must be equals to 540. Now next, x will be equals to 540 divided by 54. So this 54 will get cross multiplied and will go down in the other side, and here this 54 will get cancelled. So 54 1 times will give us 54, and in the numerator also 54 ones are 54, and we are left with 10, so that will give us 10. Now x is equals to 10 divided by 1, and that will give us x equals to 10. Let us now substitute the value of x in the expression of a, b and c. So which will give us a equals to 12x, and a will be equals to 12 into 10, and this implies that a is equals to 120. Similarly, we have b equals to 17x. Now when we put the value of x, this will give us b equals to 17 into 10, and which implies that b is equals to 170, and c is equals to 25x. So when we put the value of x, we get c equals to 25 into 10, and this implies that c equals to 250. So therefore we get a equals to 120 centimeter, b equals to 170 centimeter, and c equals to 250 centimeter. Now let us go back again and look at the question once more. Here we are supposed to find the area of the triangle whose sides were given in the ratio. Now we got the sides of the triangle. Now we can proceed on to find its area. Now in order to find its area, we are going to use the Heron's formula, and which gives area of a triangle is equals to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So that means we got a, b and c. Now we have to find the value of s, which is semi-perimeter. So now your s will be given by sum of its side divided by 2, that is s equals to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Now we know that a plus b plus c is nothing but perimeter of the triangle, and which was already mentioned in the question that it is equals to 540. So we get s equals to 540 divided by 2, and therefore s is equals to 270. Now let us proceed on to find the area of the triangle. So here area of the triangle ABC is equals to, we get square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus a, where s is equals to, we got 270, a equals to 120, b equals to 170, and c equals to 250. So here we are using Heron's formula. Now the area of the triangle ABC will be given by square root of 270 into 270 minus 120 into 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 250. So here we have substituted the corresponding values of S, A, B and C. Now this will give us 270 minus 120, which is equals to 150. Next 270 minus 170 will give us 100, and 270 minus 250 will give us 20. So now this can be written as square root of 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. Now next, let us simplify this. So for 270, we can split this as 3 into 3 into 3. That will give us 270. That will give us 27, and into 10 will give us 270. For 150, we can factorize this as 5 into 3, which will give us 15, and into 10 will give us 150. And next, for 100, we can factorize this as 10 into 10. And for 20, we can factorize this as 2 into 10. Now, next, we have to pair up the same numbers. So we got the first pair as the pair of 3, and then we have pair of 10, then we have got one more pair of 10, and here we got one more pair of 3. Now this will give us, now we are going to write these paired numbers outside the square root, and we write it once. So that will give us 2, 3, and 2, 10. So we get 3 into 3 into 10 into 10, and under square root of, we get 10 into 5. This 5 into, here we have 2 which is left out. So we get under root of 10 into 5 into 2. Then next, area of the triangle ABC will be equals to 900 into square root of, for 10 we can write 5 into 2, and we had another 5 into 2, and if we arrange, we get 900 into square root of 5 into 5 into 2 into 2, and again we have to pair this numbers, same numbers. So we got pair of 5 and one more pair of 2, and which is equals to 900 into 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10, and 10 into 900 will give us 9000. So therefore, the required area of the given triangle is 9000 centimeter square. Now, this is the assignment based on today's session, which is similar to what we have solved just now. And the question here, it says the sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio of 3:5:7, and its perimeter is given, that is 300 meter. So we have to find its area. So we can approach it in a similar way. Then let us do this much for today. So thank you all. Stay alert, stay home, and stay safe.